Welcome the our channel. Today we how to find model number on Dell laptop, quick tip step by step clearly. To find the model number on your Dell laptop, start by turning on your device. Look for the Dell logo on the screen during the boot up process. Once the logo appears, press the F2 key repeatedly to enter the BIOS setup. In the BIOS menu, navigate to the main tab. Here, you will find the system information displayed, including the model number. Take note of the model number for future reference. If your laptop is operational, you can also find the model number in Windows. Click on the Start menu and open the Settings app. Navigate to System and then click on About. Under Device Specifications, you will see the model number listed. Another way to find the model is by checking the bottom of the laptop. Flip the laptop over and look for a sticker or engraved information. The model number is typically located near the service tag. You can also find the model number by using Dell support website. Visit the Dell support page and enter your service tag. This will display your laptop's model number along with additional specifications. Now that you have the model number, you can use it for support and upgrades. With these simple steps, you can quickly locate the model number on your Dell laptop. This can be useful for troubleshooting or seeking assistance. Remember to keep the model number handy for future reference. This quick tip will save you time and help you get the support you need. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.